Hello, Namaste. In this lecture, we will study C chart. C chart is attribute quality chart where defect data is investigated, calculated, and drawn on C chart. Suppose we want to inspect a radio assembly, and if there is a more than one defect is occur in that assembly, we can draw a C chart. So C chart is drawn for a condition where more than one defect is occurred in a product. Here we have taken one example. There is a 10 sample of cars that we need to investigate, and in this 10 sample we have found number of defects. So two column is given. First column is car assembly that we have inspected, and second column is defect occur in particular car assembly. Then from these two columns we need to first find C bar, then we need to find upper control limit for C chart and lower control limit for C chart. So C bar can be found by equation sigma C upon capital N, where sigma C is the summation of all this defect, that is 40, and N is number of sample, that is total number of sample is 10. So capital N will be 10 and 40 divided by 10 will be 4, so we will get C bar as a 4. Now equation for upper control limit is C bar plus 3 under root C bar. So C bar is 4 and under root C bar will be also 4. Then from this equation we will get upper control limit as a 10. Now in equation of lower control limit, here instead of plus value we will put minus sign. C bar minus 3 under root C bar. So we will get minus 2 from this equation. So lower control limit cannot be in a negative side, so we will put 0 instead of minus 2. So whenever there is a negative lower control limit, we will put 0 instead of negative limit. So we have found C bar, upper control limit and lower control limit from this three equation. Now we can draw a C chart from these two columns and from these three values of C bar, upper control limit and lower control limit. To draw C chart, we have to first put sample number in x-axis and number of defects in y-axis. Now upper control limit is 10, so we will draw a one horizontal line of upper control limit at 10, and lower control limit is 0, so we will draw a line from passing from 0, that is a line of lower control limit of C chart. So we have first put two lines of upper control limit and lower control limit. Now value of C bar is 4, so we will also draw a line passing from 4. This line indicates C bar. Now first sample have a defect of 5, so first point will be at 5. Second sample have a defect of 3, so it will be at 3. So on we will put all these points of sample number and respective defect number. By putting all these points and joining all these points, we will get a chart that indicates that all the points, all 10 points of all sample number lie in between upper control limit and lower control limit. So all this point is in between upper control limit and lower control limit. From this chart we can conclude that our process is in control because all the points are lie in between control limits. So this thing we can conclude from C chart, that our process is in control or not. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section.